Abedimpo. Oh yeah. Coming up as Italy kid. Snoopy.
This your guy, quick Blizzard. I'm here with my mom. Yeah, we are here to teach you something small about the lathe machine, the parts and the functions of the lathe machine. So I am going to start with the jaw chop. On the lathe machine, where the work is placed here, you have the tray jaw chop and the four jaw chop. The tray jaw is the universal one, which holds the work and also rotates the work. For the two posts here, to do it all. So I'm going to leave it to my brother so that he will tell us more about the two posts, the carriage and everything. So Prosper, I leave everything.
Thank you. As my brother said it earlier, and I'm here to add small thing about it. And I'm here to talk about the carriage and the work that it does. When it comes to the carriage, we have the two posts here. We have the cross slide. We have the compass slide. Then we have the lever here. When I say lever, it is used to feed the work. When you're using the manual, but sometimes you used to do in automatic form. Automatic means you are going to work, you're going to start the machine. The machine is going to work on itself. But if you want to use the manual one, you are going to set the machine. As you operator or the skillful man, you are going to stand and work on the lathe machine to control the work that you're doing. And after that, I want to talk about the two posts. This one is the place that we put the two. Maybe you're going to do a facing. You're going to put the two here. You touch it here. You start the machine and you start controlling it. Thank you. My name is Professor Kano. Once again, I'm going to leave the work to my brother, Ebenezer Brown.
Thank you, bro. Once more again, my name is Ebenezer Brown. I'm here to talk about the case stock. So that wasting time, let's jump into this is called a tail stock, and it helps to find the center of the piece that you are coming to lathe. I hope you know lathe. So this is the lever or the lever of the tail stock. So we use this one to feed. We use the lathe to also drill. So if you are drilling, you use this one to feed the work with the drill bits.
And I want to come in. Let's say we have faced a work inside the job. The work piece is too long. When you start the work, it can vibrate and break the drill bit. So sometimes we usually use the tool stop to support the work piece so that it will not dance. So that you get your work perfect.
Yes, and I want to come in once again. In the lathe machine, you have two spindles. One is connected to the jaw and other in the tail stock. The one in the tail stock is stationary, it doesn't move.
The face jaw.
That one is faced. It supports revolving center, type center, and a drill bit, and also a reamer. By this one, rotate to turn the work piece. Thank you.
And once again, we have our head stock here, which contains the parts here. We have the motor inside, the GS inside, and then we have the belt as well inside. When it comes here, the lathe machine have two V-belts inside, and then also we use only one main belt for the lathe machine. If that one breaks, you can't fix it inside with any belt, but unless you have to get that V-belt. And that belt is called the Batalon multiple belt. It's the belt that the lathe machine uses. Thank you.
Abedimpo. Oh yeah. Coming up as Italy kid. Snoopy.
This your guy, quick Blizzard. I'm here with my mom. Yeah, we are here to teach you something small about the lathe machine, the parts and the functions of the